guys to FreeTechTV. Today what we have for you guys is another unboxing video. I expect nothing less from FreeTechTV. We don't get to do these as often as we like, but today what I have is kind of a different unboxing. It's not your average techie gadget. However, what it is a LED par lighting. Now these are great if you're having events at your house, outdoor, indoor, if you love house music and you want to have like a colored strobe light, or you want to have like a stage lighting effect. There's many uses that you can do for this. Some of the most common including uplighting for wedding, which really adds to the venue and kind of the atmosphere as well. So we're going to take a look at this one, see if it's worth it. Now this one itself was about $25 from eBay. You can also get on Amazon as well. And what's special about this one is that it does have a wireless remote with it, so you don't have to fidget with the screen. That has different codes on it which you can use to program how you like. You can simply just use the remote and control it from there. So we're going to go ahead, open this up, see if it's worth it. Now there's other uplights as well that cost $100, and this one is just $25, so it's quite a bit cheaper. So is it worth your money? Let's find out. Let's get into it. So opening it up here, you see that we have some bracket screws. This is going to be the light here, and then you have your remote and your brackets here. We'll leave those in the box for now. So the remote, as you see here, is very simple. It just has an IR blaster on it, and if you look closely to light, you see there's an extra hole, and that is going to be the IR blaster receiver. So just point the remote at that to control it. So go ahead and I'll plug this in, and on the back we have the little DMX screen, and then you have your what should look like mics, which are mic input and outputs, but they're going to be for DMX to control your lighting, or if you want to chain up a bunch of these together to have them go in motion. I also do DJing as well, so I certainly use a lot of these and have a lot of different ones. So if you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this with different lightings, certainly can do that. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So go ahead and get this light on, see how it works. So it is a RGB light, and so with that you have different colors. So you can go through the color motion. The remote, we just pull out the tab for the battery, which should activate the remote. And there we go. We can change the colors. We have different settings as well. And it is pretty bright. You'll certainly be able to see it outdoors. Even in sunlight, as it won't have any effect, but you'll certainly be able to see the LEDs lighting up though. But at nighttime, you certainly would look really nice in the stage, or if you have a fog machine behind it as well. So there are many variety of these type of lights. This one I found to be pretty good. It is really light here, and the remote is certainly nice. If you join a whole bunch of these at once together, you can just shine the remote at this one, and it will change all of them, of course, there. And on the side we just have our screwing for the brackets there, so we can put them on a stage mount as well. So a very decent light here. It is sound activated as well, so certainly will go with the music. So there's a lot of different customizations that you can do here. As you see, there is your RGB there. So it produces a wide spectrum of colors just from blending the red, green, and blue together there. So this has just been a quick look at the LED par light, which again about $20–25 on eBay, and you can also get these on Amazon as well. So is it worth it? Yes, it is. Super bright, super fun. Clubs, weddings, house parties, strobe lighting effects, uplighting for different venues. So that's it, you guys. Just wanted to go over this quick light with you guys, let you know what I think of it. Hope you enjoyed this quick video here. Again, make sure to give this a thumbs up, subscribe. More tech videos coming every week to you guys, and I appreciate all your views and support. If you have any comments, listen in the comment section below. I'll see you guys on the next video.